These rotor retaining screws, they were seized, rusted, and they couldn't budge. I tried impact driver, it even made it worse. I tried a regular Phillips screwdriver, it couldn't even budge. So this is one of the methods that I used here, and it worked. This will work if you don't have the stock screw remover kit or something like those kits. So I use a PB blaster. I sprayed the screw several times, let it sit, and once after it is sit a little bit, maybe 3-4 minutes, I came here with a flat tip chisel, or you can have those flat tip screwdriver, and try to hammer it. And when I'm hammering it towards the side that I needed to unscrew, that is counterclockwise. So this is one of the method. You can also use a screw extractor kit, like this one here you see on your screen, and this extractor kit is also used for the same work. Make sure you check a link where you can buy it on the description. It's an affiliate link right here on the description. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and stay tuned. If you like this video, if you find it useful, you can share it on your social media, and that way you're supporting my channel. Thank you. So it took me about 2 minutes chiseling this screw out, and if you're using this method, definitely you're gonna need some new screws, because this one now are damaged. You cannot use them again. And the reason I'm doing this because I need to replace this rotor. So I don't care if it get damaged, but I gotta be careful at the same time, because I don't want to also mess up with the rag nuts. So after hammering it for a while, it got loose, and here it is, all messed up. But good thing I had some new screws to replace it, and they're like $5 here at AutoZone. I use the same chisel method to remove both screws on each side of the front rotors. The rotors are now easy to come out. They may look good, but they were warped. Every time I hit the brakes, the front would shake. So they needed to be replaced. Make sure you check this video here on how to replace brake pads and rotors.